EFCC warns it may resort to military assistance to apprehend Yahaya Bello, former governor of Kogi State, if he continues to evade arrest. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) has announced its intent to employ military assistance in apprehending Yahaya Bello, the former governor of Kogi State, should he persist in evasive behavior. The issuance of an arrest order for the former Kogi State governor on Wednesday, April 17, has prompted the anti-graft agency to contemplate military involvement following an unsuccessful attempt to detain him at his Abuja residence the previous day. Kemi Pinheiro, SAN, the EFCC's legal representative, issued this warning on Thursday, April 18, during a hearing at the Federal High Court in Abuja. Pinheiro accused Usman Ododo, Bello's successor, of obstructing the EFCC's efforts to execute the order on Wednesday. Pinheiro remarked, "What occurred yesterday was that a person with immunity, Ododo, came to whisk him, Bello, away to thwart his arrest. We are aware that he is being harbored in his successor's residence. Immunity is not tied to a residence but to an individual. We have the option to summon the military to raid the premises where he is being harbored to enforce the court's order. He must appear in court rather than continue with evasive tactics. We intend to proceed next week so that we can present him. We are aware of the necessary steps. He cannot obstruct the Constitution. A former president of the United States was indicted, yet he attended court. He did not resort to tactics by filing frivolous cases. If he maintains his innocence, he should present himself before the court and defend his stance," quoted The Nation from Pinheiro's statement. Tinubu government calls on Yahaya Bello to surrender to EFCC. Meanwhile, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi, SAN, has publicly urged the former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, to cooperate with ongoing investigations and surrender to the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) for a probe into alleged corrupt practices during his tenure. This plea arises amidst heightened tensions surrounding efforts to arrest Bello for arraignment, scheduled for Thursday. Recent endeavors by the EFCC to apprehend the former governor have been obstructed, resulting in widespread public and media scrutiny. The AGF, in a statement he endorsed, voiced concern over the actions of the current Kogi governor, Usman Ododo, who purportedly utilized his immunity to impede Bello's arrest on Wednesday. Fagbemi characterized such interventions as troubling and counterproductive to the principles of justice and transparency. The act of utilizing one's position to prevent the lawful arrest of an individual is not only concerning but also a form of evasion that portrays Nigeria negatively internationally, Fagbemi asserted. He underscored that the EFCC possesses the legal mandate to summon any Nigerian for interrogation and reaffirmed his dedication to upholding the rule of law and safeguarding the rights of all citizens. Thank you for joining us today for the latest news. We'll be back with more updates. Until then, have a great day.